Welcome to Delft Stack. In this tutorial, we will guide you through installing the latest version of Python on Ubuntu. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate user, mastering Python installation is essential for development and system management. To install the latest version of Python, run the following command. Once installed, you will also need to install PyP, which is Python's package manager. Now that both Python and PyP are installed, let's verify the installation. And that's it. Python is now successfully installed on your system. For more tutorials and guides, like and subscribe to Delft Stack.